everybody, hola and welcome to another kasiloose video, and today we have some models from the case D 2021 for me to share with you. Yes it is. Yep. So first off, we're going for the 2016 Ford GT race. Actually this is from a repeat from KC. Yep, repeat from KC, but I haven't showed you guys yet. There you go. Silver Ford 2016 Ford GT race in the Borla liveries there. That is beautiful with a blackout wheels. Yep. Side tempos, headlights. Let's take a closer look. Focus up a bit. Borla 78. That is awesome. Look at that. Attack polyphonic. So there's a different text here and the text here. Interesting. Yes it is. So this one is not this one is not metal, it's a plastic part of the interior. Yup. That's the 2016 Ford GT race silver Borla. Nice. Love this casting. Yup. Yes it is. Next one, we're going for the recolor of the 2020 Pontiac GTO. Nice. This one under the HW Talk. If you missed it. Look at that. Now this recolor is beautiful. Looks like the evil misguided twin brother of the previous color. This is the previous color, silver. Now it's darker gray. Look at that. Wow. Yup. Let's give it a look. Similar style deco there with green and a darker stripe on at the top, just like this one. Look at that. This one has a light gray, this one has a darker stripe. They looks good together using the same wheels. Yep. Nice. That's the GTO. Awesome. Next we're going to see the Astana Hotel recolor. Look at that. HW Drift. Under the HW Drift, Astana Hotel. Now in black, but still have the headlights and tail lights, and the fog lights blue, which is cool. Awesome. Yes it is the Astana Hotel. With a gold lace wheels there. Yep. Look at that. The fog lights is part of the window piece, and they painted on it. Such a beautiful car, the Astana Hotel. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Next, we're going for the Mars Perseverance Rover. Look at that. Yep. That is beautiful. Love the sculpt details on it. Nice. So this one, it's a, yeah, see that 2012, very faint down below. 2012 is not a new casting. Says a NASA something on the top there. Yep. But look at the details there. Wow. And this one, can turn it. Taking pictures on Mars. Awesome. So basically 1, 2, the black and the base, 4-piece, since it has no interior, and have a plastic base, plastic transparent base. Mars Perseverance Rover. Interesting choice there. Next, the Fastback hauler, because I just love the color on it. Yes, it is. What's it called? The aqua. That is beautiful. The chrome there. Oh, okay, come on. Yeah. This is such a beautiful casting, and with that color, wow. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's put the Astana Hotel at the back. Oh, okay, this is a bigger. Let's put the Rover at the back. Yeah, just nice. Look at that. Awesome. Awesome. And you can, in case you didn't know, you can move it and get the car on back there. Then, yeah, look at that. That is beautiful. Awesome. Moving on, we have the new casting of the See Me Rolling. The dice car. See Me Rolling. Look at that. Crazy looking. Wow. Yep. Does it roll? Nice. So this one can be used in answering the multiple answer questions in the exam. For example, oh no, what is the answer for this question? A, B, C, D. It's going to be 5. E. That's my answer. Yes, it is. Oh no, what's the answer for this question? Still 5. Oh no. So somebody's going to smuggle this one in the pocket to answer the question. Multiple answer question in the exam. Yes, it is. Yep. Now this looks good together. The color is just nice. Yep. Okay, next, the 95 Mazda RX-7. This is the casting for the Super Treasure in Case D. Obviously, this is the normal one. Normal glossy black. Not a rubber tires, so better watch out for the Super. This is the one, Case D. This is the normal one. Yep, but black RX-7 with headlights and tail lights. Look at that! Wow. Yes, it is. So this one's they say that there's a variant on the symbol there. You guys can comment down below. Focus up a bit. Yep, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, it is. And with a tan interior. Mwah. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So we come to the 3 cars that I believe the highlights also. First one is the Volkswagen Beetle. Love 2021, the Valentine holiday races. Is it going to be metal base or metal body? Let's take a look. First off, the liveries there, the color, awesome. Yep. Unfortunately, the base is plastic. This is just a chrome plastic there. Yep, not a metal. Look at that. See that? 1988. That's how long the casting still in Hot Wheels. 1988. Wow, that is beautiful. Of course, we wish that the headlights are not just a sort of like a point sticking from the base, right? But that is beautiful. Love it. And we 2 new casting. Go for the Ford Broncos. 2021 Ford Bronco then and now. So we're going to expect an older Bronco here with the same color, same liveries. Yup. Blue Ford Bronco, newest Ford Bronco 2021. Bronco at the front there, the side there. Bronco, focus up a bit. Yeah. Spare tires at the back. Wish they could do headlights there, just instead of just a Bronco. Yeah. But there you go. For those who like the Bronco, this is the newest kid on the block. 2021 Ford Bronco. And the last one, 2006 Pontiac GTO burnt orange, factory fresh. Look at that. Super Duty. Different size of wheels, headlights. In the future, there's going to be a racing livery there with no headlights and tail lights, right? It's just the casting. Yup. Side and front. Look at that. The grills and everything. That is nice. That is nice. Yep. 5-spoke wheels. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So there you go. Highlights for me in case D that I believe deserve the kasiloose treatment. So are you excited on case D? Some of you maybe not, but hey, sometimes got a brilliant case, sometimes we don't really have a brilliant case, right? It's just that's the way it is. So if you haven't subscribed, notification bell button, comment down below, definitely give a thumbs up. Yes. Talk to you later. See you soon. Bye.